Welcome to the vast universe of online earnings. Today, we will unravel the secrets to making $3,000 a week online. Imagine the freedom of working from your favorite coffee shop or the comfort of your couch. The online world offers this flexibility while presenting an opportunity to grow financially. It's not a myth or a far-fetched dream, but a reality for many across the globe. Are you ready to jump into the ocean of opportunities and swim towards the treasure of $3,000 a week? Embarking on this journey might seem daunting, but worry not. We have broken down the process into simple steps for you. Let's start with the first step, choosing your niche. Now, what is a niche? It's simply a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, knowledgeable in, and something that others are interested in as well. It could be anything from gardening to gaming, from cooking to coding. The more specific your niche, the easier it'll be to target and attract your audience. Next, you need to set up your online platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even an online store. The platform you choose should align with your niche and your personal strengths. For example, if you're comfortable in front of the camera, a YouTube channel might be your best bet. If you're a great writer, then a blog could be more your speed. Now, on to the third step, creating valuable content. This is where you share your expertise, your experiences, your insights. The key here is to provide value to your audience. The more value you provide, the more your audience will trust you, and the more likely they are to engage with your content. Finally, we arrive at the heart of the matter, monetizing your platform. There are several ways to do this. One of the most common methods is through advertising. You can also explore sponsorships, where companies pay you to promote their products. Another lucrative method is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for every product sold through your referral link. Remember, each of these steps requires time, effort, and patience. But with consistency and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable online venture. And voila, you are now on your way to earning a whopping $3,000 every week. The journey to making money online is filled with exciting opportunities and endless possibilities. Let's recap. Explore, strategize, execute, and repeat. With dedication and consistency, the potential to earn up to $3,000 a week is well within your grasp. The online world is a treasure trove waiting for you to unlock its riches. We hope this video has been helpful. If there are any other topics you would like us to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. Until then, happy earning.